This is Pinal Naik. In my daytime, I am a passionate iOS developer where I love to own and create iOS apps from scratch to finish. I also have worked on a couple of iOS development books, and by night I am an investor. I help manage my family's portfolio where I try to bring a lot of diversity to the table and thus help in creating wealth. It's a very good, well-conducted session. We have covered a lot of ground in these 4 days, which I didn't expect to be done before I came to the course. We have covered a lot of ground and it's a little bit intense, but it's worth it. The first is I am armed with the right informed knowledge now, which I wasn't before coming to the course. I feel very confident in taking the right informed decision after this course about investing, and I can also gauge if the process that I was following till now is right or wrong, if there's something missing, and there is definitely a lot of room for improvement in my processes. So it's helped me a lot. Because this course is very well designed, the speakers are good, and the university is it's very recognized university. So I felt that it would be definitely worth it if I come and attend this course, and I'll be like full-time here, focused on a topic and staying on the campus. And I am back to college in decades, which is a very good learning experience if you have an open mind. It's a very, very wonderful initiative, and it's I like the course's design and how they have combined different topics, and there are like wide range of courses. It's very designed innovatively, executed well, and it's at a global level, it is very good. So I don't have to travel outside India to attend such kind of courses, which is a very, very good thing to take into consideration.